Do you go to your tool chest looking for that blasted screwdriver or set of pliers and you go through every stinking drawer until you finally find what you're looking for? If you're tired of doing that, join me and buy the DYMO Letratag 100H. It's a labeler.
My story is the story of a man who starts off at the bottom and with a bit of hard work continues along the bottom and finally ends up at the bottom. Hey, this is Classic Cars and Comics. Thank y'all very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's roll.
Okay, like I said in the intro, this is the DYMO Letratag 100H. It's a labeler. It cost me right around $18 at Target. Use your red card, you can save some money. I don't work for Target. I don't work for this company either. I'm just trying to find a way how to label my tool chest to be able to quickly go to that area, or if I send anyone else in the family, hey, can you go get that whatchamacallit? You know, that thingamajig. They'll know right where to look for it. So I'm going to cut this open and we will get to looking at it. Gotta love these blister packs or whatever you want to call these. These things will cut you open like no other. I mean, I understand why they do it, but getting into them sometimes can be a little tricky. And I don't know if this thing come with batteries, didn't come with batteries. I'll figure that out here in a minute. Here is the white paper. The quick start guide. And let's see if it has any batteries. No. Wah, wah, wah. Hey, a little security deal right there. All right, so I gotta go get me, looks like these are AA batteries. Okay, the batteries have been installed, and now it says to open this up. And then I guess we put this tape right down in here. Let's see. Okay, just sort of snaps in there, snap the top back on. And then the first time you turn on the power, you are asked to select the language settings. So let's look at this together. Okay, you just sort of got to hold it a little bit. No, it just sort of takes me right into what I'm going to try to say. So let's just say, most of these are like pliers and stuff, so I'm going to say pliers. P-L-I-A-R-S. And then let's see what this looks like. I assume that you just, yep. That doesn't look very good. Maybe let's try that again. That's a little bit better, I bet. Okay, we actually are cooking with peanut oil now. Hopefully I spelled pliers right. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to see how this peels. Might just break it. Yeah, it does. Just breaks in the middle. And then you just slap it on right there. And so now I can automatically see, okay, this is the pliers drawer. We'll do this one, we'll call it like nuts and bolts. So we'll turn on. It's gonna save that last one, so And I don't know if they have symbols on here. They do have numbers, but I'm guessing no symbols. You can uppercase and lowercase on here though. Oh. You can uppercase, lowercase. You can do numbers. We're just trying to do nuts and bolts on this. Oh, I know what we'll do here. Nuts, bolts. All right, so we're going to print. So yeah, this works pretty easy. I mean, they're really, even me, the village idiot, can run this. Let's see. And yep, it's this drawer right here. Just going to put this right down here. So, nuts and bolts. Okay, let me raise this back up and we'll see what else this thing can do. I don't know what it'd do. Okay, so you and I are going to be looking at this at the same time together. I'm a complete idiot. I have no idea what we're doing here. So in settings, you have preview, language, set date, set contrast, and preview back again. Okay, format, size. So this is where you change your size on here, your style. So let's try style, and let's do italic. And what was the other? So there's size, style, borders. Let's look at borders. Oh, okay, let's do that. So on this next one, let's just do another one for pliers. Let's see, P-L-I-E-R-S. And then we're going to hit print. That's pretty cool. I like that. I actually like that a lot. So you could see sort of what the styles were there and everything, how you can change, I guess, the size, and just know that I'm assuming that I don't know what this uses to be able to print on here. I don't know if there's some kind of ink or if it's just on the tape and somehow whatever it hits that somehow scientifically you know, gets on there, or how that actually works. But I sort of like the looks of it with that circle around it in the italics. I just sort of like the look of that. So anything else I think I print out is going to be in that same format. So let's say okay. And so let's try this clear button. So clear all, okay. And now let's see. So whenever you clear all, that means that you've cleared every setting. So if you don't want to clear what you're doing as far as the italics are concerned, the border, don't hit clear all. Do not hit this button. So let's go back to the format. Let's style. We're going to do italic, and then format, the borders, and I liked it in that, but there's a bunch of different ones it looks like. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I think I'll stay with that one. And so now, once you see this in that little format right there, it's going to stay in that format for everything else I print. So pretty straightforward. This is really easy to use. I don't have any gripes or complaints from it thus far. I literally unboxed it with y'all, and it's pretty straightforward. So thank y'all very much for watching. like, hey, give that thumbs up button, man. That really helps me out. So like, comment, subscribe, ask any questions you have, and I'll do my best to answer you. Love you all a long time.